Well, good morning and welcome again to another video brought to you by Bait Fishing. What a beautiful start to the morning. And as most people would know, I am going to be out wharf fishing today, and it's been a while since I've done any wharf fishing. So to start off, I'm going to be using this burley here. This is probably one of the most unique burley I've ever used, where it's cardboard. Good thing about the cardboard is, well, environmental friendly, and well, I think it's mostly just environmental friendly. And also make sure that regardless, make sure that you dispose the cardboard away, because yeah, it's pretty frowned upon when you see something filthy wandering around the water. So I'll just keep it in here for now. The first thing I like to do is set up the burley, so that by the time I am ready, hopefully the fish will be present. So yeah, that's what I like to do these days, setting out the burley. Not sure what I'll catch, as not sure if this is the right season or not, but hopefully I'll be able to get something. Oh gee, that burley stinks like hell. Alright, so the burley's been out for a few seconds, and already I can see some cockabullies that are interested, and some, it looks like yellow-eyed mullet or baby snapper by the looks of it. That's actually a pretty good sign. I've got polarized sunglasses, so it's easier for me to see. Damn. That's a pretty good consistency of baitfish swarming around here. Of course, I still have to wait for the bigger fish to turn up. I'm not sure if there will be any, but if there is, then I'm pretty excited. Alright, so my main bait for today will be mussel bait, and I really like to use mussel bait mainly because it's probably one of the most natural baits around here. And what I generally do, especially after I whoa, small baitfish. Generally, what I like to do after I've peeled off the shell is that there are lots of smell and juices left on the shell, so I like to throw it into the burley mix, and that adds an additional burley, which is always a good thing. Of course, the problem with mussel bait is that they're so soft that they won't last very long. So within a few seconds, they'll be eaten. First hook up on the mussel bait, and I forgot to set my drag, so that's a little bit embarrassing. Oh, it's a snapper. He's not legal, so he'll be put back. We'll just suddenly took the bait without any single warning. Damn. Let's just put him here on the other side just so that he won't ruin the fishing. Well, here it is. My luck is gonna change because of this. I got myself a dynamite live bait, which I'm gonna use after I tear this apart. Could have used that, but oh well, this is better. This is gonna be my favorite live bait to use. Oh, he swallowed a hook. Oh, how am I gonna get this out? There we go. Got it out. There we go. I'm just gonna gently hook it over his lips. Ooh, this is gonna be very interesting to see how well this is gonna go. But I'm confident that he's gonna catch me something. I hope he's alive. Well, I just missed a bite. That was gutting. It's still deadish, so I can still use it. But if this strategy doesn't work, then I'll just stick to using what I was using before. There we go. Yep. Damn it, they're just chewing on it. There we go. It's not a big one though. Ah, tiny. Oh wait. Ah, bugger, he swallowed the hook. Oh no. Well, it looks like the Piper strategy did pay off, but the size of the fish is not impressive. Alright, let's get the hook remover and send him back on his way. There we go. Damn, that was exciting. Oh, I got myself another live bait, but the problem is that these live baits are tiny, so it's gonna be a miracle that I'll be able to well, get anything on this guy. Doesn't also help the fact that the hook that I'm using is massive. But this is my favorite strategy to catch snapper on the Wharf, live baiting with Piper. Let's see if I can get another one on this live bait. Here we go. Yep. He's not big. Damn it. Thankfully, he did not follow the hook. Oh, I'm not sure anyone can see that over there, but there's a tiny float. And I see pipers, but they're also tiny. I need a really good one in order to make the day worth using live baits, but sometimes you just have to use what you've got, and sometimes elephants will eat peanuts. The pipers are proving to be a little bit... Oh, yeah, I got one, Yeah. Oh, there we go. I'm multitasking. Not the easiest thing to do, but you gotta do what you gotta do. My god, he's tiny. Oh, these small ones are nasty little. Yep.
因为他用真鱼钓看嘛，活真鱼他先钓真鱼。
That's tiny. Oh, crappies.
Garfish. Paper.
Oh, yep, Parore.
哇
Yes.
这个啊，黑的啊。
Oh god, that's sharp. I knew I should have filmed this, but damn. As soon as I drop the mussel bait, the slack, tie the slack, this turns up. Oh, finally. Hard work pays off. Finally got something to take back. A lot of people consider this a trash fish, but if you know how to look after them properly, they're actually pretty good to eat. Yep. Another Parore. Parore number 2. This guy's a little smaller. He's a bit small, but he's a good meal. Well hooked right there. Oh my god. I think I'll release this one. He's a bit small. Oh my god. Alright, T25666. T25666. There we go, wet feather, so that's will be good for him. Okay, that is 23 centimeters. Okay. There we go. T25666. There it goes.
了。